These earrings I have made using glass beads, eye pins, head pins and ear wires, also called fish hooks. Place the beads of your choice onto a head pin. Place the round nose pliers above the bead and then with your finger bend the head pin. With the side cutters, cut the head pin leaving 1 centimetre from the bend in the head pin. Then do the same with the head pin for the other earring. Place the round nose pliers at the end of the head pin. Holding onto the beads, roll the round nose pliers away from you. The head pin will form the shape of a loop. You can always adjust your loop afterwards if you need to. Again, repeat for the other earring. Again, rolling the round nose pliers away from you to form a loop. For these earrings I have also used eye pins. Do the same that you did with the head pin, bending the wire and leaving 1 centimetre. And repeat this again. Making sure that you keep hold of the bead and keeping tight grip of the head pin while you roll the head pin away from you to form the loop. And repeat. You can also use your flat nose pliers to readjust the head pin. Open your loop with flat nose pliers, but open sideways, not outwards. When you have opened your loop, attach the loop that you made on the head pin. Again, open your loop sideways. It is best to open sideways rather than outwards, otherwise you lose the shape of the loop. Then you can attach your ear wire and then close with the flat nose. Repeat for the other earring. Open sideways, attach your ear wire, and then use your flat nose to close the loop. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked my video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye.